From a man in a Corvette who clearly wasn't paying attention, and a messy crash that looked like a scene from a movie, to a road rage driver who kept brake checking this truck, and much more. Here are crazy moments caught on dash cam. This guy was either drunk or changed his mind about changing lanes. If I had a nice car like this, I would surely drive more carefully.
SiriusXM.com/SmokeyVegas. By March.
1,000 feet, your destination will be on the left.
Good morning. Hi, it's Lithium, and I am Madison. Happy Thursday.
Did I get hit in the back?
There's a reason they say to keep your eyes on the road.
West.
Record video.
Start recording emergency video.
This is what you get when you combine icy roads and Russian drivers.
Well, my point was that it was a spontaneous demonstration when we now know it was a terrorist attack, and they advanced it through the CIA.
А що ти завтра там з утра можеш? Ой-ой-ой-ой-ой.
It's probably a good idea to look both ways before pulling out.
блядь, ёб твою мать, полудурок, сука!
Камера наблюдения.
Yeah, I think he's in panic mode now. I gotta keep this shit.
Блять! Jesus fucking Christ!
Come on now. Okay.
If you enjoyed this video and want to see more like it, make sure to subscribe and give this video a thumbs up. Until next time.